Zia Kingashuhi KTN.
Well, a very big congratulations to Gay for winning that award, a win for all teachers. And as they say, winning these awards, like she was putting it, is not just the finish line, it is the starting point of another new excellent journey. Let's go to the corridors of justice now, where the High Court has ordered the State Department for Correctional Services to pay Mbagathi Hospital at least 10 million shillings within 14 days for medical services rendered to inmates. Justice Mbagathi Hospital issued the directive after noting that failure to settle the outstanding debt posed a potential violation of constitutional rights of prisoners to access healthcare. Catherine Imuragat with this and other stories from the courts.
Following the dispute that arose from unpaid bills owed by the Prisons Department and the Minister of Interior to the Mbagathi Hospital, the High Court has now ordered the State Department for Correctional Services to pay Mbagathi Hospital at least 10 million shillings within 14 days for medical services rendered to inmates. In his ruling, Justice Mbagathi Hospital emphasized that the Constitution guarantees every person the right to the highest attainable standard of health, including access to healthcare services. The Constitution further safeguards the rights of persons in custody. Pending full resolution of the date, the court also issued a conservatory order compelling Mbagathi Hospital to continue admitting and treating all inmates referred to it by the Prisons Department, whether for emergency or routine care, until October 8, 2025. The case will come up for mention virtually on October 7, 2025 to confirm compliance and give further directions. Still in the corridors of justice, the Supreme Court has found the Sexual Offence Act legal, lawful, and valid until such a time when the Act will be repealed. Delivering his ruling, Justice Mbagathi Hospital said the petition lacked merit. This is a case filed by two convicts, Jora Maina and Paul Ogunde, who argue that Parliament has no role in punishing a person charged with an offence. They also argue that the law took away judges and magistrates' direction to jail a person based on the circumstances of each case.
Having considered the issues raised in the instant petition, I find no basis for finding that the petitioner's rights under Articles 10, 24(1)(e), 25(a), 27(1)(2), 28 and 47 of the Constitution have been violated. In light of the above, I am satisfied that the petitioner's petition is misconceived and lacks merit, and the same is accordingly dismissed.
And finally, High Court Judge Mbagathi Hospital has ordered the government to pay a man 500,000 shillings as compensation for illegal exploitation of his mobile phone. The court said the petitioner's constitutional rights of privacy were infringed. Michael Ndichu complained that the police took his Huawei phone and searched it without a court order.
Consequently, this court holds that admitting electronic evidence obtained without a warrant or court order would render any ensuing trial unfair and be detrimental to the administration of justice as envisaged under Article 50, Clause 4 of the Constitution. The admission of such evidence in this case would therefore be improper.
Catherine Imuragat, KTN.
Well, from that story, before we even go for